Lemongrass is not subtle. It enters a dish before you see it. The aroma arrives first. Botanically known as cymbopogon citratus, lemongrass is a tall perennial grass native to South and Southeast Asia. Unlike leafy herbs, lemongrass stores its power in its stalk. The base is thick, pale, fibrous, and loaded with essential oils. The flavor profile is sharp, citrus-forward, and clean. Lemon-like but not sour. Fresh but not sweet. There is no bitterness, no acidity spike, no sugar hit. Just clarity. This is why lemongrass works where lemon fails. It brings citrus aroma without liquid, without acid, without instability. Historically, lemongrass has been used for thousands of years in cooking, medicine, and ritual. In India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, it is foundational. Not decorative. Structural. In Southeast Asian cuisine, lemongrass defines the base of soups, curries, and pastes. Tom yum does not exist without it. Many curry pastes collapse without its presence. When crushed or sliced, lemongrass releases citral, the compound responsible for its signature aroma. Citral is powerful. A small amount goes a long way. Texture matters. Raw lemongrass is extremely fibrous. It is not meant to be eaten whole. It is meant to infuse, then be removed. This is a common misunderstanding. Proper use requires bruising the stalk to open fibers, then simmering it gently. The heat extracts aroma without bitterness. The lower white part of the stalk is the most valuable. The green tops are tougher but still useful for stocks, teas, and infusions. Culinarily, lemongrass is versatile. It works with seafood, poultry, coconut milk, chilies, ginger, galangal, and garlic. It cuts through richness and balances heat. In marinades, lemongrass adds brightness without cooking the protein. In soups, it lifts steam aroma. In stir-fries, it sharpens the first impression. Beyond food, lemongrass has medicinal history. Traditional medicine uses it for digestion, inflammation, and stress relief. Lemongrass tea is common for calming and detox purposes. Scientifically, lemongrass contains antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. Its oils are used in aromatherapy and natural insect repellents. Agriculturally, lemongrass thrives in warm climates with plenty of sun and moisture. It grows fast, spreads easily, and regenerates after cutting. This makes it both sustainable and abundant in tropical regions. Visually, lemongrass is clean and architectural. Long blades, pale bases, natural symmetry. It communicates freshness instantly. Storage is simple. Fresh stalks keep well refrigerated or frozen. Dried lemongrass exists, but fresh is unmatched. The biggest mistake with lemongrass is overuse. Too much turns perfume into soap. Precision is everything. Lemongrass is not background noise. It is atmospheric control. It sets the tone before flavor arrives. It defines region without saying a word. If lime is punctuation, lemongrass is sentence structure.